So, it was my birthday yesterday, so I decided that I want to go to can you guess what it is? You'll find out in a second. And yes, I'm sweating. Oh my God, it's so hot out. You'll find out in a second. It looks very tropical. Wow. Oh my God, that is so cool. If I had a big enough house, I would. Oh my gosh. It's my yucca plant ancestor. I love this. This is making my entire day. This is where I wanted to go for my birthday. I just wanted to be around plants, and I successfully was able to do this. And I'm in a tropical plant paradise right now. Look at the ponytail palm. I'm crying. There's eucalyptus over here too. I'm crying. I'm crying tear. You see my tears? I'm crying.